Hello there, my name is Joanne Moss, and I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric Supply Company. And welcome to our November Hot Product video. Can you believe we are almost at the end of the year? I cannot. So here we are. I have two special guests with us. I have Dan Waxman with PULS, who's going to talk to us about the UB series of UPS power supplies, as well as Doug Plants with ABB Sales, who is going to talk to us about the compression Lug Express Program from TMB, right? Thomas and Betts.
You got it.
All right. And lastly, we have Ben Glady, who is our Brady specialist here at Standard Electric. He's going to tell us about a new Brady printer. So without further ado, Doug, why don't you talk to us about this compression lug program that you have?
Thanks, Joanne. Hi, I'm Doug Plants with ABB Sales. I'm here today to talk to you about ABB installation product Thomas & Betts Colored Key Compression Lug Express Program. While other manufacturers may be moving away from small quantity orders for made-to-order lugs, ABB's got your back with our high-quality color-keyed compression lugs built right here in the U.S. in Ormond Beach, Florida. Minimum order requirements are 25 pieces with a maximum order of 200 pieces. Shipping in 5 business days or less. Lugs in copper or aluminum from 1 gauge to 750 MCM. Single and 2 bolt hole from number 8 to 1 inch bolt hole size. Any functional hole spacing for 2 hole lugs. Long or short barrel. Standard or narrow tongue. Bends in increments of 15 degrees from 15 degrees to 90 degrees. Bell ends and tin plated lugs. Again, shipping in 5 business days or less from our Ormond Beach, Florida facility. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your Standard Electric account manager. Thanks.
All right, Doug, thank you so much for that. That was great. 5 days or less, that's like not heard of in today's environments when it comes to lead time. So that's pretty dang good. All right, Dan, hopefully you can top that one with your UB series UPS Pulse power supply. Why don't you go ahead and take us away?
Sounds good. Thanks, Joanne. I'm Dan Waxman with Pulse Power, Regional Sales Manager for Wisconsin and Indiana. So today I'm going to introduce you to our UB series DC uninterruptible power supplies, or UPSs. So why might you need a UPS? Let's say that you build or use machines to make parts or assemblies. Maybe you're inspecting those parts and you're storing measurements in a database as part of a quality control program. Imagine there's a blackout. All that quality data that you've been storing, deleted. And since your customer requires traceability, that production run, it's scrap. So it doesn't have to be that way. You can protect yourself and your data by using a UPS. Why should you choose ours? Why are we any better? Well, we made a fundamental design choice that enables us to offer better reliability and lower costs than everybody else. We chose to use, here's our UB series UPS. What we do is we use a single 12-volt battery with the UPS, okay? And our competitors use 2 12-volt batteries to back up 24-volt loads. Well, since we're only using a single battery, our systems take up less space. That DC-DC converter in here that I mentioned, what we do with this is we take that 12-volt battery and we boost up the voltage to 24. We keep it stable, we keep it regulated, so we're running in the sweet spot of your machine's electronics. That's not the way it is with the other guys. The other guys don't have any regulation in their UPSs. So as their batteries kind of decay over time, the voltage going to your devices goes down too. So now our battery management system, that's another benefit. We optimize the life of the battery. Competitive systems use a basic charging system that burns batteries out quick. So not with us. You know, with us, you get the most you get the most bang for your battery buck. So here's the replace battery contact. So not when the battery does go out, you get some kind of signal, okay? So less maintenance and no surprises. And finally, we offer one-stop shopping. We've got 6 different part numbers. We've got customers backing up loads from a couple of watts up to over a kilowatt. there's very few applications that we cannot resolve. So if that sounds good to you, please contact your Standard Electric account manager to learn more. Thank you.
Thank you, Dan. That was great to learn all about the benefits of that UPS backup system. Awesome. So next we have Ben Glady, who is going to tell us about the I5300 printer, and he's actually going to demo it in front of you. So stay tuned. He's next.
Awesome. So I am Ben Glady, the Brady product specialist here at Standard Electric. And for today's hot product video, we have the Brady I5300 printer. The Brady I5300 printer is the latest and greatest for industrial printing, an auto-calibrating unit to save you time and money with all of your labeling needs. And a great unit that we just introduced into the market, and a lot of customers are liking it for a lot of the features that I am going to explain to you guys. So with this 5300, the 5300 is an auto-calibrating unit, like I had mentioned. You're going to have some smart cell chips here on the rolls as well as the ribbon. So as soon as you install material, it is printing away and not auto-calibrating and wasting labels with setup. So to show that to you, we can walk right up to the printer here actually and open up files saved directly to the Brady printer. And then at that point, you can go ahead and just hit select and print. So we're saving a ton of time here. Materials installed and printing those labels. The printer also has that auto cutter. And then at that point, we can walk up to the printer, pull out a different material, install the correct material for the new part that we want to print. Slide that in, close it back up, and it's going to auto calibrate here. There, we can go ahead and print that next label file. So this unit makes printing a heck of a lot easier, auto-calibrating, saving time, money, and labor. If you have any questions about the Brady I5300 unit here or any other Brady products, feel free to reach out to myself or your Standard Electric account manager.
Well, thank you, Ben, for that. This is all I have for you this month, November's Hot Products video. Thank you, Doug, for telling us about the compression Lug Express program. And thank you, Dan, for telling us more about the UB series UPS PULS power supply. As usual, if you need any of these products, please reach out to your Standard Electric account manager. Make sure you like, follow, and share on our social platforms so that you don't miss out on any of our announcements. And again, thank you so much. Have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll see you next month.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks, Joanne.